Hey guys, I'm Noah. You may have been wanting to start a YouTube channel, but how do you start? Today I'll show you the basics of making a YouTube video on your iPhone, for free. I started my Minecraft YouTube channel about 4 months ago, and after failures and successes, I've learned a lot about making simple YouTube videos that get many views. I have about 100 subscribers and tens of thousands of views, so now I'd like to share my knowledge with you so you don't have to spend your own time figuring it out. Let's move on to the video. To make a video, you first have to record it. Here are my 3 favorite apps to use: Photos, Screen Recorder, and Go Record. Photos is the default one. It's really good overall, but it doesn't work for low storage. Screen Recorder records for a long time, but the actual quality isn't that great. And Go Record, it has really good quality, but the mic is bad and it's not great for storage. Try all of these, but Photos is best overall. To actually record, all you have to do is pull down on this side, press and hold here, and then pick if you want to turn the microphone on and off and which app you want to use to record. Let's move on to editing. This is the app I use to screen record. It's KineMaster. It is very good and it has a lot of very good options. The only downside is it has a watermark in the top right, but most people don't really mind that. The most basic thing is cutting. So if you click on a video like this, trim and split, you can trim left to playhead, or split at playhead. That splits the video where that is. Now you can add stuff in the middle of it like transitions, or you can just cut one whole side out and delete it over here. You can also add media by pressing this media button. Just adding any of these, just click on it and it goes right in. You can also record, press start and record. You can also add audio. This can be anything from music, SFX, recorded, or anything you download on your iPhone. Here's some things I've downloaded. There's a lot of free music. Most of it's pretty good. To get to it, you can click on this little store button at the top. And then there's a lot of different genres and themes. You can also layer stuff on top of your video by pressing layer. There's media, effect, text, sticker, handwriting. Media, you can do pictures or videos on top. Press photo here, all, here, this is my channel. You can just put a picture on top. Another thing you can do in layer is effect. This is like blurs. You can also put text. There's different fonts, animations, and a lot of other things. There's outline, I use that a lot. There's many options. All of them are very good. There's also stickers. And these stickers can like blow up. Watch this. Boom. There's also handwriting. So you can like handwrite and draw shapes and stuff. I then used many of these elements to make a really bad video. It's not great editing. It's really not. I'm just showing you guys how to do it. Okay, well that's the finished video. So to export it, you press this button in the top right. Save as video. Skip this. And then now it's saving. Okay, so to get to the video, you go to Photos. And then it's right here. So if you want to make this YouTube short, you press Edit. This thing at the bottom, and then you cut a little bit off of it to make it the right format. Okay, preparing. Let's move on to uploading. Uploading a video is a lot more important than you may think. You have to add tags, a description, a title, settings, and you also have to make those the right length. To upload a video, press Upload a Video. Tap the video you want to add. Next. Here you can add sounds. These are a bunch of music and stuff that YouTube shows you. Most of them only go for about 15 seconds though. I'm sure you've all watched TikTok and you know what these are. Add also text, timeline, and filters. So next. So make the visibility public so people can actually see it. Select audience. I put it's not made for kids because then I can see my comments. If you put it's made for kids, it disables comments. So now you got to do the title. Within this title, you need to do 3 hashtags that like fit in with your video. So this would be hashtag shorts, because it's short. Hashtag Minecraft. Hashtag Bed Wars. Just do 2 or 3. These are the main 3 ones that go with my video. But for the actual title, you can use this app to help you. Unless you think you already know one. Like if you're doing a baking video, you're obviously going to do what you're baking. Like, it's not that hard, and then something that'll get the audience's attention. So this app can show you daily ideas. These are, I already looked at mine for today, that they're not there but saved. It can show you like different titles that are really, really popular within your category. So you can use these to help you too. This app also shows ways you can improve your videos. So tap on the video, go down to your tags. I'll show you to add these later. So these are the tags I put. Most of them did pretty good, especially these top ones. And so Minecraft, Nether Games, and Bed Wars, those did really good. My SEO score, bottom one didn't work, but the top 40 out of 50, that's really good. Checklist, these have quite a few things too. Title length and everything. I did miss a lot of stuff, so I could make my description and tags longer. To add the tags and description, go to YouTube Studio, go to your video, press this edit button at the top, tags, categories, comments, and more. And here are the tags. These tags, you put every word that relates to your video at all. You can also do comments and hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. I do that. For the description, this should be pretty long. It should probably be this long or a little bit longer. VidIQ app can help you with your length of that. So that's how to upload a video. Just do what you think would be good, and then use this app to also help you a little bit. To track statistics, use YouTube Studio. This is like the YouTubing app. So if you go here and you tap on your video, it'll go to video analytics. This shows all your analytics and statistics. So this video had 6.5 thousand views. That's a lot. Audience retention 178%. That's like really good. So most people watched it almost 2 times. Also shows reach, engagement, audience. Shows you everything you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully this will help you with starting your own channel. Soon I'll make another video that goes deeper into editing, so subscribe to see that. Goodbye.